Hello, welcome to our channel, Lifelong English Learning Academy. In this video, you are going to listen to some example restaurant conversations from real life. Let's start with the first one. Conversation 1, making a reservation.
Hi, I'd like to make a reservation for dinner tonight, please.
Of course, sir. How many people will be in your party?
There will be 3 of us.
Great. And what time would you like to reserve the table for?
Around 8 p.m. if possible.
I have a table available at 8:15 p.m. Under what name would you like the reservation?
It's under the name Patel.
Perfect, Mr. Patel. Your reservation for 4 at 8:15 p.m. is confirmed. We look forward to seeing you tonight.
Thanks a lot.
Conversation 2.
Hello, I'd like to make a reservation for a special occasion, a birthday celebration.
Certainly, ma'am. Congratulations. How many guests will be joining you?
It will be a party of 12.
Wonderful. When would you like to celebrate this occasion?
We would like to come on Friday, the 15th of May, at 7:30 p.m.
Noted. And may I ask whose name should I reserve the table under?
It's under the name Blossom.
Very well, Mrs. Blossom. We have reserved a table for 12 on Friday, the 15th of May, at 7:30 p.m. We wish you a fantastic celebration.
Thanks.
Conversation 3, ordering food.
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Yes, please. I'll have a glass of sparkling water.
Excellent. Would you like to hear our specials for tonight?
Yes, please. What do you recommend?
Our chef's special tonight is a grilled salmon served with asparagus and a lemon butter sauce. It's been very popular with our customers.
That sounds fantastic. I think I'll try that.
Great choice. And for you, sir?
I'd like to try your famous lasagna. I hope it is as good as people say.
You won't regret it.
Thanks.
Conversation 4.
Hi, folks. How are you doing tonight?
We're doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good, thanks for asking. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Yes, I'll have a glass of Diet Coke, please.
Sure thing. And for you, sir?
I'll have a lemonade, please.
Great. Would you like to hear about our specials for tonight?
Yes, please.
We have a filet mignon served with roasted potatoes and sautéed mushrooms. It's our chef's specialty.
That sounds amazing. I think I'll have that.
I'll have the same.
Okay, you have made a great choice. I think you will love it.
Conversation 5, making a complaint.
Excuse me. I ordered the vegetarian pizza, but it arrived with meat toppings.
I'm terribly sorry for the mistake. Let me take that back to the kitchen and have a fresh vegetarian pizza made for you.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
It won't take long. We'll make sure the correct one is delivered to you as soon as possible.
Thanks.
Conversation 6.
Excuse me, but I noticed on the bill that we were charged for 2 starters, but we didn't order those.
I apologize for the mistake. Let me take a look at the bill and sort this out for you. Thank you for bringing it to my attention.
Server examines the bill.
You're absolutely right, there seems to be an error. It appears that another table's order got mixed up with yours. I'm sorry for the confusion caused.
No problem, I understand mistakes can happen. I just wanted to clarify the charge.
I appreciate your understanding. Let me fix this for you. I'll remove the charge for the starters from your bill, and you'll only be charged for what you actually ordered.
Thank you for addressing it promptly. I appreciate your assistance.
It's our pleasure to make sure everything is accurate. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that should be all. Thank you for your attention to this matter.
You're welcome. If you need anything else, please don't hesitate to let me know. Enjoy the rest of your meal.
This is the end of our video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.